the new TI-84 EVO Lines and Conics app part 4. Here we're going to show the 4 parabola templates. Let's press the Home On key and then arrow to the Lines and Conics app. Press Enter. And here we're going to add an equation. And we want a parabola, so we'll go through the lines first, then the circle, and then this parabola. So we want this form of the parabola, vertex form. So I'm going to press Enter for OK, and I'm going to type in the negative sign, the fraction template, to put in the 1/2. Notice I use the right arrow, not Enter. I want x minus, so it's going to be x minus a negative 3, and then plus a 6. And we'll go ahead and press Graph. To enter this equation, we need to use this form of the parabola templates. And so I already did that, so I'm just going to turn that on by pressing Enter on E2, and it's graphed. So this is a parabola of the form x equals. So I'm going to use this template here. I'll turn this on E3 using that template, and then graph. And finally, the 4th template here, I typed it in. I'm going to turn it on by pressing Enter on E4 and then graph. And here is a summary of the 4 and then all 4. For more TI-84 EVO videos, visit this website. It is case sensitive.